Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:27 p.m. February 19th, 2021, Friday, end of the week. Good week for me. Hopefully it was good for you. Coming off the previous couple of weeks in February, this was a nice way to finish. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. You guys have been great this week. A lot of great comments, a lot of helpful comments. And I continue to share whatever I can find out about anything in terms of trading. And I will do my best to make this channel, something special. So let's get into it. Today was a good day. Markets were completely flat. We had a gap up, fade, chop city again. Markets just don't know what to do, but Bitcoin does. Bitcoin is at 56,200, doing very well, which caused a lot of the Bitcoin plays to make their move. NCTY was the number one play for me this morning that I did not take. Reason being, two reasons: very spready stock. We saw dollar spreads, we saw 50-cent spreads, very dangerous. And at the opening, it was a little bit soft, thinner. But today it was really good volume. You can't really see it down here, but really good volume today, making all-time highs, with Bitcoin making all-time highs. And, I trusted Tradestation because it's really working well since we had that down day, whatever day that was. I don't remember, Tuesday, Wednesday. Orders are really doing well for me. I'm not having any problems with that. But, I have that first minute. I definitely don't take a trade. But this didn't break the 60... Was it 65? I think it was 65. Yep. 66. It was 66. I remember saying that to myself. 66, gets through 66. And boom, 66. There's definitely entries on this thing all the way throughout. And then this was probably the easiest one. Notice I made the high of 80 on this candle. I'm like, okay, if it gets up to 80, I'll take it. Again, it was really spready. At one point, it was like 80 on the ask and like a 79.40 on the bid. And I nailed it, but I didn't take it. And look what it did. Went from 80 to 87.58 in 3 candles. Just a fast-moving stock. And unfortunately, I didn't trade it. I wanted to start with that one because this was the play, I think, in the Bitcoin space of the day. Only 3.8 million traded. Not one of those Watt today, which was just like dirty 175 million traded with Apple old news being circulated. But I did start with the good old BT. This move here through 23, I believe. Yeah, back through 23. Rode it up for a little bit and made a few bucks on that trade. $62 on that trade. I actually traded a few. I took plug for a quick hit. Bailed on it through, I forgot which level it was. Right, I believe this here, high of 55. Right through here, I think 54.50, made like 18, kind of flushed me down a little bit, so I took I took a gain on it. Actually, I didn't lose today. All my trades were winners, and it was a good way to... It obviously went up in my favor. I just didn't give it the room it needed to make that bigger move. It actually flushed down pretty good before it did. My biggest winner, and probably the only one I'm going to talk about, the rest is TIGR. Can't get any better than this on a 36 setup. You had a high day here of 35.97, came up to 35.95 on this candle, and then just ripped through 36. And I was selling. I took it small because this one's another one of those like winky dinks. And I've been trading small all week. The week I had a terrible week, I was trading too big. And this week I'm having a good week and I'm trading too small. It always works that way, doesn't it? This was my biggest winner of the day. I actually took in 227 on this trade. So I did finish the week strong. I finished the week with 335 on Friday and after yesterday. So I had a really good week this week. I'm hoping you guys did too. I've heard some good stories. I've heard some interesting stories. No boredom trades. There were definitely some boredom trade possibilities today. But it is what it is. And, that's pretty much it. That's all I really want to talk about today. We got through this week, short week. Hotkey video coming out tomorrow, most likely. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure you comment or ask questions if whatever you see. I already filmed it, and I'm going to do another video on top of the video, probably kind of mix it in, probably do a little bit more editing on this one. I don't know. I'll do the best I can to hopefully get the best picture of what I'm using. And again, you have any comments, make sure you leave those below. So have a good weekend. Take some time off. We get back at it on Monday. And make sure you subscribe, like the video, share the video, and comment. Have a good one.